Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is part 4, the last part of our 4-part series, Stepping Your Game Up. And we've been creating this black welcome bear, right? This is what we've been working on, but he needs a sign. So this video is actually gonna be pretty darn simple. So what I've done is I've got a board that fits my bear in that spot that we carved in those last videos, right? Board fits. I've taken a Dixon wood crane. What is that? A big fat wood crane that doesn't break as easily as a normal crane. I have links to this stuff, guys, in the Amazon. Links down below in description, okay? Check that out. Go there, buy, help support the channel. Woohoo! Appreciate it. Anyway, write it out. Yes, we know how to spell welcome, but if you don't write it out and kind of get your spacing down, more than likely you're going to mess it up. Flip it over. You want to be a double-sided sign? No problem. Right, go away. People love it. Go away or welcome. You got somebody that's offended looking at, oh geez, why does it say that? Say no worries. Welcome. Flip it over, okay? You don't have to. It's a bear for everybody. So what do we need? Well, there's a couple ways of going about this. One, you can get a router and a small bit and carve them all out. All right, use your router, make them all look nice, neat, uniform. Right, this is what a routered sign will look like. Clean lines. Okay, but we've been using the chainsaw, so I figure that's what we're gonna do. So with your jaw horse, hopefully you've got this wooden upgrade or you might mess your saw up. If you're not sure how to do that, there's a link. I'll try to have it popping up. Put that bad boy in the jaw horse. Draw out what do you want it to say. Make sure you've got your die grinder with your flame bit, 1/4 inch shaft, 1/2 inch green flame bit. Okay, I believe it's the coarse bit. You're also going to need your chainsaw with a dime tip bar. Now, I'm back at the carving tent. I'm just going to run the battery saw. Still dime tip bar. This is the 43 gauge chain, not the 50, so it's a bit thinner. And now, I'm going to go ahead and cut you guys to the camera on my shoulder so you guys can see what we're doing. And we're going to, make this sign. Welcome. Board is actually left over from some trim work that I did. So this side's got some stain. That's alright. Use it all. Alright guys, so there it is, quick simple sign for our bear. Now remember, if you do all this at the same time, be sure to clear coat the sign separately, both sides, get clear on it, you know, and then put them together once everything's good and dry so nothing sticks on you. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed this series. If it's helped you out, or it is helping you out, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, guys. Leave me a comment. You guys can also share your work with me on Facebook at KyleHallWoodworker New Carvers. Look it up, go, and you got to make sure you answer all the questions, and then I'll let you in the group, and you guys can share your work there with everyone else as well. Also, tools and things that are similar that we're using, I will try to have linked down to Amazon. You guys purchase through those links. They help support the channel. Plus all my members. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Some of you have been hanging on as members for a long time, and I really, really do appreciate it. It means a lot. I'm going to be creating a members only video here real soon, tutorial that's just going to be for members. It's going to be 2 bear cubs with a tree. I think it's going to be really cool, fun carve, and just kind of my way of saying thank you to those of you who have been a monthly member supporting the channel, where it's a cup of coffee or you're at a higher tier. I really, really do appreciate it, guys, so thank you. And yeah, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, check out some of these other videos, guys. Have an awesome day. Thanks.